What's up, guys? I'm Dipan with Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Today, we're looking at LaunchCart, the revenue optimization platform equipped with a drag-and-drop checkout page editor and powerful upsell features to boost your sales. If you're in the world of e-commerce, you know that the last 10% of building a successful online store is just as vital as the first 90%, aka respect the checkout funnel. And that's where LaunchCart steps in. They make creating funnels with bump offers and one-click upsells super easy. So let's check it out. LaunchCart's feature-packed checkout page editor is your key to boosting those conversion rates. Built into the editor, you'll find a scarcity timer, a trust seal at the bottom, an order bump section, coupon code options, and a variety of trust seal logo placements. But what sets it apart? Unlike other checkout builders, LaunchCart's entire checkout page editor is a drag-and-drop dream. Yeah, that's right. Images, CTA buttons, timers, the whole shebang. To add side of the party, the checkout page editor is integrated with AI-powered content creation tools and a library of royalty-free stock photos. That means your checkout funnel won't be just another generic user experience. You can completely optimize images to build trust and discover what really converts users. So if you want to optimize your sales funnel and boost revenue, just click that Buy Now button. I ain't stopping you. But if you want to stick around, I'm about to show you an upsell tool that goes 5 levels deep. LaunchCart doesn't just help you optimize checkout page, they revamp your entire sales funnel. The long-form sales page builder will help you create high-converting sequences with CTA buttons linked directly to your product catalog, organized by the highest-performing SKUs. And here's the kicker. You can automatically add individual product reviews to your long-form sales pages, so no more hours spent hunting for great reviews and tweaking them for your sales page. LaunchCart does it all for you. Which brings us to LaunchCart's Funnel Builder, which features superpowers that are must-haves for boosting conversions. Our favorite is the Automatic Upsell Superpower. It enables one-click upsells to increase your average order values. This thing lets you upsell or downsell 5 levels deep. It's like the inception of upselling. And for all you merch peeps out there, here's one more bonus. LaunchCart's Design Marketplace. It's an integrated print-on-demand service that offers thousands of print-ready designs for your t-shirts, mugs, and merch. That way, you can offer unique merch no matter the season or trend. Yeah, that's going to boost the bottom line big time. And here's my bottom line. The scarcity timer to grab this lifetime deal on LaunchCart starts now, so click that big yellow Buy Now button while you still can.